Who can turn the world on with her smile? Who can take a nothing day, suddenly make... What in the world is going on here? What kind of thing? Jesus. Hello and welcome. This definitely looks like a job for Scott's Garage. So the job today is go down to the garage, get some tools, remove this one, and luckily enough, I had ordered a replacement for this a while back. We can unbox that, see what's included, and hopefully it should be really easy to put it back up. So let's get started. Is the Home Depot bucket. And when I'm going to do a job, all I do first thing is electric screwdriver, and I'll just grab some basic screwdrivers, maybe a little one, some pliers, wire cutters, channel locks, those are good, and then maybe a crescent wrench, and put those in the bucket, as well as a hammer. You never know when you're going to need a hammer, and a utility knife. So there's just about nothing that I can't fix with this setup right here. Oh, also another thing that's really good is a tape measure. So I ordered this a while back, and I just want to kind of make sure that it's 34. That seems pretty big. I don't really know if that's the right size. Okay, so got a tape measure, and it's right about 34. So I actually think we're good to go. This is the correct thing. Let's get started taking this down. Okay, so we've got a step ladder right there, my tool bucket there, and this is the offending unit. Now if we can just figure out how this comes off, that like actually it'll clip there. That pulls out. These look familiar, right? Looks familiar. And some screws to go along with each one. Warranty, instructions. So it's very important that you read the instructions over thoroughly, because you don't want to make a mistake. So, okay. So these are the new brackets, and these are the old brackets. I think you can see the problem. They don't fit. It's a different size. But we don't have a liner upper back there. We started that. Let's put this in. That looks pretty good. Wow. That is really, really messed up. Okay, so let's do... Did it go in there? Is that in there? I don't think that's clicked in there. See, that's clicked. But this one's not quite. There we go. Nice! Snap on like a Sue. Oh, they have magnets. Sweet. And then this one just clicks on there like so. put this all the way up, all the way down. Wow, nice. And you can put this all the way down. So, well, we had a couple of like small issues with this job. The brackets apparently are different, which was a little bit of a curveball, but it works really nice. I think that's going to be a nice unit. You can pull that down, and I think that's great. So we're going to call this job done. Thank you for watching Scott's Garage. Till next time, so long.